Hi, this is Brad the cooking guy, and we're doing turkey V2. We're gonna take our turkey, we're gonna sous vide that girl, and then we're gonna deep fry her. You know that we've had her in our turkey bath for 24 hours, and she is absolutely delicious. Now we gotta get her at the right temperature for them breasts to be good and them thighs to be ready. So, I have brought in my vacuum packer sealer. Now, this is the expensive one. This is the $300 model. I know they're on sale at $29, $39, $49, $99. Now, we're going to take our turkey out of the bath, drain it off in the pan, put it in a bag, vacuum seal it, put it in the bath. Now, why do you ask me, do you want to sous vide the turkey? Or why do you want to sous vide anything? Because sous vide is basically slow cooking in a vacuum bag. So what we do is we take it off. We take our vacuum bag and watch this. This is very important. Roll the top down. In the bag. Roll the top back up. Top needs to be clean and dry, right? Otherwise, the seal doesn't work. How do I know? I've screwed it up. Put in the chamber vacuum sealer. Drop her in, place her down, slam that lid, press the vacuum seal button, 25, 24, 23, about 30 seconds is all it takes to vacuum seal that. I don't understand why it puffs up. It blows up like a balloon. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, 2, 1, 0. Come on, baby, suck it out and seal it up. There we go, vacuum sealed in the bag, and what do you do with that? What do you do with that? We put in this wonderful 133-degree water, bend it over the top, make sure she's wet, and put her in. Now, 8 to 24 hours. The internals of that turkey will be absolutely perfect, and then we're going to stick it in our deep fat fryer. Just in case you didn't see it the first time, we're going to do it again. Look at that leg and thigh. We're going to drip dry it for a second. Roll it over, put it in our vacuum sealer bag. You didn't see me touch that with my fingers. Slide her in, roll her up. Put her down. Press the button. See her blow up. I do not understand how that works. I don't care. You know what I do know? It works in the end. Come on, baby. There it goes. There it goes. You see that? Airtight. Boiling bag. What's in the bag stays in the bag. We don't lose any flavor or tenderness or dry it out while we're cooking it. And we preset our heater so it's at the right temperature. So the center of the meat and the outside of the meat are perfectly cooked, because we're going to drop her in the deep fat fryer when we're done. Just to sear up the outside and give you that crispy skin that everybody loves. Roll my top. Drop her in the bag. Roll her up. 3, 2, 1, 0. Ha, 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 ha. Now you can tell it actually pulled. See all that myoglobin that it pulled out of there? That was the vacuum sucking it out. And you know what? I'm going to stay in that bag, and we're going to make awesome gravy with that. The key is to have the sous vide underwater, have a nice insulated box. I like to have a cover on it. Now, this cost me $19.95. I did a little urban modification. I filled this up with foam and I taped it closed so none of the water gets in. This is as good as a Yeti cooler. It is way better than the ones you get online. For all of these up above, this is my Coleman cooler. I took my fine tool and I cut this nice U shape out. Then I took some great stuff and I stuck the straw in there and I filled it up and I put tape around it. Now this top is as insulated as the side is, so we have a good thermal barrier. What's inside is going to stay inside. Ain't going to take a lot of electricity to make it go. Now, this is my Instapot sous vide heater. You can set the temperature or the time, and I'm setting the time now because guess what? Tomorrow, this is all going to be done. So I want about 134 degrees interior temperature for that breast meat, and I need about 10-12 hours. You can cook turkey in a sous vide up to 24 hours. So I'm going to set it and forget it, right? Just in case I don't come back here till 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, she's going to be all right. 130 degrees, 33 degrees, 24 hours. We're going to take it off in the pan and put it in the deep fat fryer. She is going to be moist, tender, and delicious. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and see my other videos. Brad the Kitchen Guy. Thank you so much.